Today, you'll see how you can remix your map content into new and informative combinations, and even create brand new content with map tours. Help users to explore landmarks, take scenic routes across campus, even find their way through move-in day. We have two options to start: to build out tour-specific content from scratch, or to bring in pre-existing map locations. For today's example, we'll do a bit of both. Get started by first clicking Add New Map Tour. Next, add a thumbnail image, a title, and a short description. And I do mean short. Any copy that goes beyond the bounds of this box will not show in the end product. In order to save the first time, you will also need to add at least one stop. If you aren't ready to build out real content, you can always add a placeholder to get things started. Next, confirm your tour's general settings. Set the default zoom level. Choose whether to display a path line connecting your tour stops, the color of which can be changed from your front-end styles tab. Choose to show numbered markers or use graphic icons. Choose your visibility settings or go with the default. If you are set up with the Forms feature, you can use our prefabricated fields or embed your own form into any tour. Talk to your client success manager today to get started with lead generation forms. With your settings up to spec, you are ready to start building your tour. To create tour-specific content, click Add New Stop, which opens an edit window similar to the location editor in the main map view. Fill out the title, select and place your marker type, and optionally upload a marker icon. Then add images and description. Hit save and it will populate in the sidebar. While working on your tour, you can also bring in pre-existing map content. Remember to save your tour, and now you can jump back into the Locations tab to select your desired categories. For today, we'll choose 360 panoramas, campus athletics, and outdoor recreation. With these categories on, we can jump back into editing the tour. To add these locations to the tour, you can simply click your selected pins from the map view. With each click, a new stop will populate in the sidebar. With your stops selected, you have the option to fine-tune the pathline to more closely match the paths between stops. Just remember that if you later reorganize your stops from the sidebar, the path will reset. Save yourself some headache and make sure your stops are in order before you adjust the path. You have probably already noticed one major difference between tour stops pulled in from existing content and stops created within the tour. The former cannot be edited from the tour itself. That said, any changes that you make to existing locations from outside a tour will be reflected within the tour as well. Audio can be added to both types of tour stops. This could be a transcript of the stop description, a message from your school's president, a voiceover from a student tour guide, even a recording of ambient audio from the location itself. With all your tour stops created, you can now save and publish your tour live. Now, you may have noticed that I did skip over one other setting in the tour editor: use external link. With this setting, it is possible to convert a tour to a button to take users to, for example, a video or an external web page, such as a 360 tour. However, if you do add an external link to a tour that already contains stop content, it will supersede all of that information, so handle with care. Once you have made 2 or more tours, you can also sort them and create groups of tours for easy access. Finally, you can make a link directly to the Tours tab with query strings. Replace this bit of URL right here after the pound sign with the line $sbt/tours and copy the full URL. You can now link it out directly, generate a QR code, even create a location open marker on your map to take users straight to your tours. I hope that you've learned something new today. Thank you for watching.